SE is the Internet Country Code top-level domain for Sweden. The top domain is operated by Internetstiftelsen i Sverige, but domains must be registered through one of the approved registrars. Internetstiftelsen i Sverige is managed on the basis of its Charter of Foundation and its statutes. The foundation is managed by a board of directors, whose decisions are executed by the executive management. Pre-2003 system. Prior to April 2003, the rules governing domains under the SE top domain were highly restrictive. Only companies, associations and authorities registered nationwide were allowed to register a domain, and it had to be very similar to the registered name. Individual products were not eligible for separate second-level domain names, even if they were registered trademarks. Individuals could register one domain with the suffix pp, and companies and organizations registered in just a single county were eligible for domains with a SE suffix. Non-profit organization names are registered on county level in Sweden. Sports clubs do not need to register their name, but that was needed in order to register a county SE name, which made it complicated. Many who could not register directly under SE instead registered under com or new. These rules were introduced in 1996. Before that there were unofficial rules that were even more restrictive, where private people and sports clubs could not register a domain. The former second-level domains were, only a few of these second-level domains are still used as inactive web addresses. Since a yen, a currency, a paragraph were not available for technical reasons, organizations could register the name with A and O instead if available, sometimes causing trouble. The Habo and Hayenbo municipalities had a legal battle about the name Habo SE, which Hayenbo won since they registered first. After many years, in 2011, they agreed to make http www.habose/ link to both municipalities' websites. From 2003 Sweden allowed registering a yen, a currency, a paragraph in web addresses. Post-2003 system, with the new rules, any entity or person may register any number of domains, subject to few restrictions. Individuals may register whatever SE domain, as long as it is available, not in SE's blocked or reserved list. At the same time, the rules for domain name allocation were changed to the principle of first come, first served, and simpler rules for dispute resolution were created. As of October 2003, SE started accepting registrations of internationalized domain names, containing the letters a yen, a currency, a paragraph, a one-quarter and a copyright. On September 6, 2007, a total of 250 characters became available, supporting names in all of the legally recognized minority languages of Sweden: Finnish, May currency Nkieli, Sami, Romani and Yiddish. Domain names with a yen, a currency, a paragraph have not been used so much for several years, partly since browsers on user side must have special support. Still, organizations having a yen, a currency, a paragraph in their name mainly use domains without these letters, and use redirection from their proper name. Many organizations do not support their proper name with a yen, a currency or a paragraph. SE is the first TLD to offer DNSSEC services. It does so using OpenDNSSEC. The entire SE domain was unavailable for 58 minutes on October 12, 2009, when an error during routine maintenance by SE corrupted all names in the domain name registry. Known hacks: many Swedish domains were reserved for English words that end with SE. As of today, there are practically no such domain names left available on the domain prime market as the result of the domain name speculation. Most of them can be bought on the domain secondary market. Only a few domains were developed. References. External links: IANA SE Hoes Information, II SE, SE, List of approved registrars.